guys, it's your girl Abby from Twist Me Pretty. Welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you noticed, but I cut my hair. What do you guys think about it? I'm going to be sharing my hair care routine today, the products that I've been loving and using, and just kind of general styling tips. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below, click that red button, and let's hop into it. Alright, first up we've got Aveda's Damage Remedy. This has been a long time favorite of mine. You're just going to put a little bit on your palms and then spread throughout towel dried hair. So it's a leave-in treatment made with quinoa protein, so it strengthens the hair and protects it from breakage, but it also conditions and smooths it and protects it from heat styling. So it's an all-around great product for pretty much any hair type and texture. Up next is the Thickening Tonic from Aveda. This guy actually expands your hair from roots to ends, so if you need a little bit of extra fullness, it'll help hold and thicken your hairstyle. Just kind of spray it all over. And because I'm all about volume lately, I've been reaching for Kenra's root lifting spray. So this one doesn't foam up like a mousse, so I like to just spray it directly onto my roots and then blend it in with my fingers. I like this one in particular because it's lightweight and it doesn't add stiffness, but it still adds that extra volume and body to the hair. And last but not least, Kenra's Blow Dry Spray. Have any of you guys tried this product? It's literally the best. It smells so good. Aside from that though, it decreases blow dry time, which I love, and it provides heat protection and humidity protection. So you're just gonna mist it all over. It's really lightweight and just the best. And finally, it's time to blow dry. You don't wanna use your blow dryer like this. No. You want to use your precision nozzle. One usually comes with every blow dryer and it's literally life-changing. So using the precision nozzle is going to help you direct heat and air exactly where you want it. So it's going to make for a better blowout with less frizz and more volume. You're welcome. I like to just use the paddle brush. This is the Bath Pack brush. It's $5. I'll make sure to link it up below and everything else. But I'm basically just working through the hair until it's completely dry. One quick tip for extra volume, make sure your roots are dry first and that you're angling them up. It's just gonna help give them a little bit extra lift, and then you can work on the rest of your hair. Once the hair is dry, there's a couple more products that I like to use before I start curling it, and the first is an oil. So this is the Chloron Protective Oil. It's one of my absolute favorites. It's really intense though, so I like to spray it onto my hand first so that I can control kind of how much oil I'm putting in my hair just a little bit better, and then I like to work the product through the mid-lengths to the ends of my hair. And then of course we have our heat spray, so I'll show you how to apply that in just a second. I'm going to be curling my hair today. Obviously, I am using the Flourish Trio. It is the most beautiful and amazing one in all of the land. I'll make sure to leave a coupon code for you guys in the description, so make sure to check that out if you're needing a new tool. This one, though, comes with 3 different size barrels, which I really love. There's a 32mm barrel, a 25mm, and a 19mm barrel. So today I'm going to be using the 25mm or the 1-inch barrel, and I'm just locking the rod into the handle and turning the iron up to 350 degrees. If you guys are using an iron that doesn't have adjustable heat settings, ditch it. It is frying your hair. Check out the video up there in the corner where I chat all about heat settings and maintaining healthy hair if you feel you need it. Alright, back to it. I'm just going to go layer by layer, and I'm wrapping 1-inch sections away from my face around the barrel. Before I apply any heat though, I'm adding a heat spray. This is the Kenra Thermal Styling Spray. My favorite is the Sebastian Trilliant, but I am completely out of it, and this is my next fave. So using a thermal spray is obviously going to help with heat protection, but it'll also help retain your curls so that it doesn't fall out as fast. So make sure you're using one. So I like to take my section and just pinch the hair an inch or so down from the root, and then as I'm wrapping the hair around the barrel away from my face, I'm maintaining that pinch in the hair. This is going to create a really pretty tousled look instead of keeping the hair flat against the barrel, which creates more of like a curling iron ringlet. And then I like to leave the last inch or so out on the ends. And then for this look, I'm not setting the curls or stretching them, I'm simply just letting them slide right off the barrel. Now that I'm all curled, I need some volume, like all the volume. Give me all the volume, right? So my favorite is actually the Orbe Dry Texture Spray, but I am all out of that one too. You guys, I need a shopping trip, like ASAP. My next favorite though is the Living Proof Dry Volume Blast. You're just gonna spray it all over, and it adds some really great texture and volume into the hair without weighing it down or making it feel dirty or sticky. And then don't mind, I was scratched by a unicorn. Do you see it? Just kidding, I scratched myself and I smudged my highlighter. So it's fine, I notice it soon and blend it back out. All is well in the world. To get those cute piecey ends or to deal with any unwanted frizz, I'm taking the Kenra Taffy. It's one of my favorite products. I've been using it for years and years and it lasts forever. I'm just putting it through the ends of my hair and kind of wherever I need a little extra smoothness. I'm just taking a comb and I'm teasing the roots just a little bit, and then I'm smoothing it out with the comb that's on the other side of this brush so that you can't see really any snarls. We want volume, but we don't want snarls. And last but not least, we made it, everyone. We made it. This is the Kenra 25. It's hands down the best hairspray in the entire world. I swear it's just so amazing. It's not heavy or sticky, but yet it lifts and holds and it just sets every hairstyle so well. I'll sometimes just use this in replace of dry shampoo, dry texture spray, like all the things when I'm in a hurry. It's always the Kenra 25. It's so good. And that's our wrap. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below about my new hair length. I'm excited to start doing some more braids and hair tutorials with this length. It's been fun to play around with. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below if I missed anything, and I'll make sure to link everything up in the description. So I love you guys, and we'll hopefully see you in the next one. Bye!